Is your Amazon Fire TV remote acting up, leaving you stranded in streaming purgatory? Let's fix that. This video will guide you through resetting your Fire TV remote, so you can get back to binge watching in no time. First, let's try the simplest solution: restarting your Fire TV device. Navigate to the settings menu on your Fire TV using your remote if you can, or the Fire TV app on your phone. Select My Fire TV, and then choose Restart. If you can't navigate at all, unplug your Fire TV from the power outlet for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Once your Fire TV has restarted, point your remote directly at the device and press and hold the home button for about 10-20 seconds. This often reestablishes the connection. Still no luck? Let's move on to battery replacement. Open the battery compartment on the back of your remote and replace the old batteries with fresh ones. Ensure they are inserted correctly, matching the positive and negative markings. After replacing the batteries, try pressing the home button again. If that doesn't work, we'll try a more forceful reset. Simultaneously press and hold the left, menu, and back buttons for 10 seconds, then remove the batteries from the remote. Unplug your Fire TV for 60 seconds and plug it back in. After your Fire TV has started back up, put the batteries back into the remote. Now, press the home button, and hopefully, your remote should automatically pair with your Fire TV. If not, you may be prompted to press and hold the home button until the light on the remote starts flashing. Follow any on-screen instructions for pairing. And there you have it. Your Fire TV remote should now be working perfectly. If you're still having trouble, consider contacting Amazon support for further assistance. Happy streaming!